Hey everybody, this is Mike from The Collectors Corner, TCC, coming to you today with a different kind of video. This is going to be very unique. I knew when I saw it though I had to tell my YouTube family about this. I'm standing outside this ShopRite, not too far from my house. I haven't come here for a while now. It's not close by, so I really don't shop here that much. But I do remember something being in here a couple of years ago that I wanted to show you guys now. It's very different, very unique. So I'm going to bring you inside and have you take a look. You're going to find it. When I found out about it, it was very, I got very excited. But I kind of remembered about it. I haven't been here for a while. But I did remember that it was always here. So, it's this machine. All-Star Cards. Basically, it's a vending machine for baseball cards. As you can see, it's mainly all older wax packs. Older packs of cards. They do have a couple of last years. There's mainly a lot of Yu-Gi-Ohs also, and non-sport cards. Walking Dead, Yu-Gi-Oh cards, Shopskin, Star Wars, and they do have Pokemon, like I guess those are hologram cards, sorry. So I'm gonna pick up some packs from here, and yeah, 2018 Heritage. I'm going to pick up some packs and then I'm going to review them online with you guys. But I just wanted to let you see the assortment that they have. Alright. Hey everybody, just wanted to show you everything that I got. Alright, this was about $8-9. I'll go over the prices with you, that way you can see. $4, $5. They had these commons. These are real cards from those years, $5 each. I didn't pick one up, wasn't really interested. Cooperstown, I never heard of that. Panini, the opening day. They have some older wax packs. Baseball, come on, focus. Not gonna focus. Okay, there we go. $2, $1.25. They had these grab packs, which I bought one for $1. Football, baseball mixed up there. Some Upper Deck and other bunts and baseball. So I'm gonna open these up. I'll record at the house and show you what I get. Thanks. Alright everybody, so I'm back. I decided to pick up a couple more. This was off camera. So it was just only like 3 more packs that I picked up. But I'm going to open these up. I figure it would be great for a Throwback Thursday. I don't know if anybody ever saw one of those machines before. I know in all my years, this is the first time I ever saw it. One of those kinds, so vending machine for cards. Let's start with this 89 score. So yeah, I figured it would be great. Show you guys a little bit of something that I remember seeing years ago, and yeah, it was still there. So let's see what I pick up out of all of these. I'll try to fly through this. I know you guys have been patient. Andy Van Syke, okay. And we got a card, 1940. These are one of those series cards. Sid Fernandez, Jerry Steinbach, Will Clark, pretty cool. Tim Jones, rookie prospect. Gary Sheffield, rookie. All right, this is nice. Gary Sheffield, rookie card. Very nice. There we go. Put that on the side. Next, let's go to this Donruss. Okay. Let me open this up. So I wanted to buy a little bit of everything in there. Yeah, it is a couple of miles away from my house. so that's why I really don't shop there. This is 88 Donruss, Ted Simmons, Jeff Robinson, nothing yet. If you guys see anything, leave a comment down below. Alright, Gary Thurman, rookie. Look at his eyes, kind of scary. And the puzzle piece. Let's do this 94 Series 2 Donruss. Stay tuned, we're going to be going over the second item for the follow the flip, for the second item for the giveaway this week. I do remember these cards. They are sticking a little. Let me show you the back. Pretty cool. Let's see what we could find in here. Roger Clemens. Nice. Put that on the side. Brady Anderson. Oh, it's kind of dinged up. The only thing that I don't like about the machine, the vending machine, is that when you do choose the items, Matt Noakes, they do fall. You know, obviously they have to fall down for you to, you know, pick them up. So, Jeff Montgomery, it's like silver. So that's the only thing I don't like about that, because then, yeah, if it's a pack, it could get damaged, it could hit the corner. Maybe that's what happened here. So, let's go with the Leaf. 1993, Series 2. So that's the only thing I really don't care about, you know, when they fall down, but what can you do? Jack McDowell. Manuel Lee. Oh, two of those. Nice collation. Right? We could always count on that. Shane Mack. Doug Drybeck. Another one of those. That's the second one in this pack. Brian Smith. Candy Maldonado. Greg Myers. Gary Sheffield. James Navarro. Alright. Let's do this. Well, you know what? Let's do the 91 Upper Deck. Alright. So all this was a total about like $10. Maybe a little over, $11. I just wanted to do it for fun. We have a top prospect. Paul Gibson, Bob Welch. Fred McGriff. Checklist. 2 checklists. Nice. Yeah, 2 checklists. Same checklist too. Nice. Another Fred McGriff. And Blue Jays. Hank Aaron. Pretty cool. I remember these inserts. Very nice. I'll put that on the side. And that's it. Kevin McReynolds. Alright, let's go to this. Upper Deck SP. This is 1995. lot of these years I think I didn't collect. So letter A on top, we have a Ray Durham. Nice card. Chip Becker, John Valentine, Steinbeck, Barry Larkin, Jose Rio, Denny Nico. All right. Let's see what else. Let's get these out of the way. 88. And we got the gum, which I'm not gonna have. This is funny stuff. Anyway, we have one of these advertisement cards. Red leaders. We have Boggs, Red Sox leader. David Cone. Matt Noakes. Barry Larkin. Mark Thurman. Let's open another 88. Alrighty. Let's see what we got here. Another advertisement. Looks just like the other pack. Dave Henderson, Phillies leaders, Ken Griffey, very nice card. That's the senior. All right, let's go to the 89. That gum was shattered inside the wrapper. Not sure what that means. Oh, we do have another advertisement card. Let's see what we could find here. Chat Lemon, Terry Kennedy. I do want to collect these also. I'm going to start after I finish my 88s. John Smoltz. Daryl Boston. Sandy Alomar, future star. Nice card. And let's crack open the next. So I know these were a little bit high, the price, but like I said, I wanted to pick them up. There's really nothing around my neighborhood. I have to go kind of far. So I saw this and I remembered Nolan Ryan, nice card. Put that on the side. So I just wanted to do a special video about this machine. Let me know what you guys think about the machine also down in your comments. Stained up. And let me know what you think of the packs, the different prices that they have. This is a Topps Gallery 2002. I don't know if I saw these. I guess I'll remember once I open this up. Let's see what we could find. Look inside. Oh, that was nice. All the rules. Start bidding on eBay. That is funny. Anyway, these are way stuck together. Give me 1 minute to try to pry them apart a little bit. It could damage them a lot. And it seems like they are getting damaged. But let's see them. That's the front, and that's the back. Eric Milton. Oh, one card. They're very thick. See, this got a little damaged here. He's sticking again. Moses Alou. Yeah, they got damaged. Let's go to the next pack, and then we're gonna do those assorted packs. They were $1 each. I saw it and I figured, you know, take a chance, and yeah, see what we could get there. These are really stuck. How many cards are supposed to be in here? 6 cards per pack. Okay. So we here have a Ryan Klesko. We have J.D. Drew. And let's see what card fell on the floor. A red border one. Probably is meant to be special. I don't know. Okay. These were $1 each. So let's check them out. I figured for $1, not bad. You got Mattingly. We have a Rose. Nice. Puckett, Dykstra, Record Breaker, Frank Viola, Steve Sachs, Barry Larkin, another Dykstra, Will Clark, Doug Drybeck, Backman. All right, so a lot of older tops in there. This pack was also $1. Joe DiMaggio, 937. Upper deck card. Brad Penny. Jay Bruce. What year are these? 2009. Okay, I don't think I ever saw these before. Pretty cool cards. Larry Green, outfielder. Bowman. 2011, Logan Moore. Martinez. Shanho Park. All right, and some draft picks. Okay, well, just wanted to share with you guys all that. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the second item for the giveaway. Be right back. Hi everybody, I'm back. I know I said the second item. This is actually the third item, the third and final one. This is the Score 1990 box. It has a lot of rookies, a lot of stars. Where to start? Let's start with the stars. You got Bonds in here, Nolan Ryan, McGuire, Sheffield. Famous cards. Let's see. Famous cards in here, I would have to say, is Bo Jackson, the one that he has. It's a horizontal card, and he has a football jersey, football pads, and he's grabbing a baseball bat. That card could be in here. There's also some error cards, like Ryan Sandberg. He has no position on his card, like right here, where it had a position. Also, Ken Griffey Jr. There's no. He has on the back of the card is number 25. So, that's a couple of the different like variation cards or error cards. As you can see, a full set is 704 cards. Rookies in here. Let's see. You have Mo Vaughn, Dave Justice, Frank Thomas, Bernie Williams. Sosa's rookies in here, and Gonzalez. All right, so it's a pretty good box. Once again, that's the 1990 score. If you're not a subscriber, click that circle, hit the bell notification, and make sure it's public. Once you do that, then you could go and like and comment on a video and be entered in for this week's giveaway. This is just one of the 3 items that are up for the giveaway. Check my past videos and you can see the other items. So, this is Mike from the Collectors Corner saying thank you for watching. Everybody have a good night, and until tomorrow. See you later. Bye.